Tonight is a taste of Venice Beach in Southern California. We're making a seafood stuffed flounder. We'll saute scallops, shrimp, and extra virgin olive oil with butter, shallots, garlic, fresh thyme, and parsley, and we'll roll it up into a fresh flounder fillet. Then we'll bake it in the oven and top it with a white wine cream sauce. We'll serve it with linguine and fresh asparagus from the farms of California. We'll serve it with a chilled Pinot Grigio from the California wine country. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it.
My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens around the world. During the day, I work for Natalie, a squeezed fresh juice company from Florida. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Tonight is a taste from the Pacific Ocean in California. We're taking fresh flounder and rolling it up with scallops and shrimp and baking it in the oven with extra virgin olive oil, butter, and paprika. This seafood entree will be plated with linguine and asparagus and topped with a Beurre Blanc sauce made from butter, shallots, white wine, heavy cream, and Natalie's lemon juice. And why are we making this dish tonight? Well, this week we were in Venice Beach in Southern California. Venice Beach is known for its waves and the super tall palm trees. It has a boardwalk that's over 4 miles long, and it's known for its electric vibe with shops, bars, and restaurants. Inside Venice Beach is Muscle Beach, made famous in the 1950s by world-renowned bodybuilder Jack LaLanne. Venice Beach was the set for many movies and was home to famous rock stars like Jim Morrison from The Doors. Our mise en place for tonight's dish is 3 flounder fillets, 1/3 pound baby scallops, and 1/3 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp, 2 chopped shallots, 6 cloves of chopped garlic, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 pinch of fresh thyme, and 3 sprigs of chopped parsley, 1/2 cup of Chardonnay wine, 1 cup of chicken stock, 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 ounces of Natalie's lemon juice, 1 pound of linguine, 1 bunch of asparagus. In a large pan on medium heat, put in 4 chunks of butter and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. When the butter melts, add in half of the chopped shallots and saute them for about 4 minutes. Then add in half of the garlic and cook it for about a minute. Sprinkle in a dash of seafood seasoning to the scallops and pour them into the pan. Then sprinkle a dash of seafood seasoning to the shrimp and pour them into the pan too. Give the scallops and shrimp a nice stir and cook them for about 3 minutes. Season the scallops with salt and with pepper. Give the seafood mixture a nice stir and turn off the heat. Season the flounder fillets with salt and pepper on both sides. Then take a scoop of the scallops and shrimp and put it onto the flounder. Roll it up as best as you can. Don't worry if some of the seafood falls out. You can put it back in when the fillets are put onto the pan. Put the 3 stuffed flounder fillets onto a nonstick pan sprayed with nonstick spray. Then place the tray into a preheated oven at 385 degrees for 12 minutes. Place the asparagus spears onto a sheet with aluminum foil. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper onto the asparagus and place it into the oven next to the flounder. Next, we'll make the sauce. Put in a few chunks of butter and another tablespoon of olive oil into the pan. Add in the shallots and cook them for 4 minutes. Add in the fresh thyme and stir it into the mixture. Then add in the garlic and cook it for about a minute. Turn the heat up to medium-high and add in the wine, the chicken stock, lemon juice, and the heavy cream. Stir the ingredients together and simmer for about 10 minutes to let the sauce reduce. Remove from the heat, put in a chunk of cold butter, give it a stir, and let it thicken. In a pot of boiling salted water with a pinch of turmeric, add in the linguine and let it cook for about 10 minutes until al dente. And now it's time to plate our dish. And there it is, a taste of Venice Beach. Flounder fillets stuffed with scallops, shrimp, and baked in the oven, served with linguine, fresh asparagus, and topped with a wine cream sauce. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.